Want to create AI-generated music on your computer? Using Suno AI on a PC gives you a larger workspace for writing prompts, editing lyrics, and managing your music projects. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Suno AI on PC in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch your preferred web browser and visit the official Suno AI website. Sign in to your existing account or create a free account if you're new to the platform. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access all of your saved songs and projects. After signing in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. Here you can explore trending creations, create new songs, browse your music library, and manage your account settings. Spending a few moments exploring the interface will make everything easier later. Click the Create button and enter a detailed prompt describing the music you'd like to generate. Include information such as the genre, mood, tempo, instruments, vocal style, or add your own custom lyrics. Clear and descriptive prompts usually produce the best songs. Click the Generate button and wait while Suno AI creates your song. Once it's finished, listen to the generated versions and decide which one you like best. Take a moment to compare different versions before making any changes. Your generated songs are automatically saved to your library. Depending on your subscription plan, you can also share it using a public link or download your music. Keeping your projects organized makes it much easier to find them later. Finally, open your profile to review your remaining credits, manage your subscription, update account settings, and access other available features. So you've successfully learned how to use Suno AI on your PC, and that's how to use Suno AI on PC. Whether you're creating original songs, writing custom lyrics, or organizing your music library, the desktop experience gives you plenty of space to work efficiently. Experimenting with different prompts and music styles is one of the best ways to create unique AI-generated songs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.